It's the showdown everyone's been waiting for, Treadmill vs Elliptical, which machine genuinely delivers when it comes to your fitness goals. On the left, the classic treadmill, person running high-impact cardio and speed training. On the right, the versatile elliptical, person biking low-impact full-body workout. Let's skip the gym myths and marketing talk and get into the real results. We'll pit them head-to-head across all key categories, each one earning points, so by the end you'll know exactly which comes out on top. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. Alright, here's a quick mind map of what we're gonna cover. We're talking calorie burn, muscle targeting, joint impact, training type, cardiovascular benefits, and finally, who each machine is truly best for. Think of these as your categories on the battle card, helps keep everything super clear as we compare. First up is calorie burn because yup, almost everyone wants to know which one melts off more pizza. So, starting with the treadmill, this thing's got a reputation for intense calorie torching. Like it can burn up to 600 calories per hour, which is wild. For an average-sized person, say 70 kilos, it's about 372 in just 30 minutes. Plus, fat oxidation rates are higher, meaning it eats into your fat stores more aggressively. And here's the catch, it does demand more effort. You're working hard, no shortcuts. Now the elliptical. You're looking at 270 to about 378 calories in half an hour. So yeah, it's a bit less, but honestly you kind of feel like you're working less for similar results, which is cool. The downside: lower fat oxidation, fewer total calories burned. So the winner here, subtly but surely, is the treadmill. Moving on, muscle targeting. Okay, treadmill first. This is all lower body all day, glutes and calves get a major workout, you'll really build leg endurance, and oh, fun fact, you actually boost your bone density. Slight meh though, it does not care about your arms or core much, it's basically a lower body machine. Switch to elliptical, and this is where it shines, you get full body activation. Arms, chest, core, legs, even those neglected hamstrings and quads. If you want total body muscle teamwork, the elliptical's your go-to. Minor catch, you need to keep those handles cranked up with resistance to really feel it. But overall, elliptical totally wins this round. On to joint impact. Treadmill again, if you stick to walking, it's actually pretty gentle, but as soon as you run, man, it turns brutal. We're talking impact forces 2 to 3 times your body weight, knees and hips take a beating, even with some cushioning. Now the elliptical, this is a joint's best friend. The motion is super smooth, your feet never fully leave the pedals, it's perfect if your joints are complaining. No exaggeration, people who have arthritis or those recovering from injuries rave about these. Oh, and minimal stress on ankles, knees, the whole lower half. Drawback, you don't get that bone strength benefit from loading, but still, joint impact, elliptical wins hands down. Oh, and here's something cool, pro tip for you, alternate between both machines to reduce overuse injuries and keep your body guessing. That's actually what most trainers recommend, especially in 2025 when balanced training is all the rage. Let's talk training style. Treadmill first. If you're getting ready for a race or want to train like an actual runner, treadmill is basically unbeatable. You can do sprints, intervals, work on speed, endurance, plus it mimics real running mechanics. You've got this awesome control over every step, every extension. Just one thing, intervals need a lot of coordination, so be ready. Elliptical, pretty much made for long, steady cardio. It's safer if you want to zone out for an hour. Less coordination needed, but also not ideal if you're prepping for a 5K. Sprinting just isn't the same. So the winner for training type? Yep, treadmill again. Okay, cardiovascular benefits. So treadmill, huge VO2 max improvements, you get up to 11 mets at a solid running pace. Translation, it's serious cardio. Downside, you've got to tolerate more impact, which not everyone loves. Elliptical also gives very similar VO2 boost, about 9 mets for vigorous effort. Plus, it can spike your heart rate even more sometimes, kind of surprising, right? Metabolic intensity's just a nudge lower. Honestly, I'd call this round a tie, both score equally for cardio gains. And finally, best for who should actually use each. Treadmill's perfect for serious runners, athletes, anyone who wants to really push calorie burn, speed, endurance, or go all out with HIIT. Not so great if you have touchy joints though. Elliptical, beginners, everyday fitness folks, anyone with joint problems, arthritis included, post-injury, older adults, you name it. Also awesome if you want easy long sessions or total body conditioning. If you're training for a race or specifically want running skills, maybe not your best bet, but otherwise, super versatile. This is a tie, really depends on your personal goals. Let's take a look at how these two stack up across all our categories with a radar chart. You'll see treadmill kind of spikes in calorie burn and training type, but the elliptical covers muscle targeting and joint friendliness like a champ. So the bottom line, go treadmill if you're chasing speed, race prep, and maximum calorie burn. Go elliptical if you want full body strength, happy joints, and long-term health. Honestly, if you can, use both. That's what top trainers say. That way you get all the benefits, no drawbacks. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next fitness guide.